To perform backup on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, first we need to go to Settings. Over here in Settings, scroll down and search for Accounts and Backup option. Once you go over here, you can find a couple of options that allow you to create backups. For example, we can use the Samsung Cloud service. Over here we can tap on Backup Data in order to then go through this menu and decide which options, which apps, and which data should be backed up. Also, we have the Google Drive option, so we can tap on backup data in here, and of course we can include photos and videos as well as other device data that is listed over here, and you have to select which options, which data should be included in the backup. And last but not least, there's also the Smart Switch option, where we can use the external storage transfer. So if you have like an USB storage device, then you can go over here and you should be able to transfer the backup, create the backup and transfer it to your storage device. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.